Hello, dear. Do you want to speak English with confidence? Do you sometimes forget words or sentences when you are talking? Don't worry. In this video, you will practice 300 simple daily morning to night useful sentences. These sentences are perfect for A2 to B1 learners. They are easy, clear, and you can use them in your daily life. Here is how we will practice. First, I will say the sentence. Then you repeat after me. After that, I will say it again. We will use shadowing technique. Shadowing means you try to say with me. Speak with me. Follow my rhythm. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound. Step by step, you will feel more confident. Carefully listen and remember, shadowing is the gym for your mouth. So let's begin our practice together. By the way, my name is Shofia, and this is English Shadowing Club. If you want more practice, you can download the free PDF for this video description. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel is made for you, so you can speak English better every day. All right, are you ready? Let's start. Part 1. Morning Session. Good morning. I wake up early. I get up at 7 a.m. I feel sleepy today. I turn off my alarm. I stretch my body. I sit on my bed. I check my phone. I open the window. I take a deep breath. I feel fresh now. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. The water is cold. I use soap. I dry my face. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I get ready. I wear clean clothes. I chose a shirt. This looks good on me. I wear my shoes. I tie my shoelaces. I take my bag. I check my pocket. I take my wallet. I take my phone. I am ready to go. I feel hungry. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I drink water. I eat bread. I eat eggs. I drink tea. I drink coffee. The food is delicious. I eat slowly. Good morning. How did you sleep? I slept well. I feel tired. What is your plan today? I have work today. I have class today. Let's start the day. Today will be good. Stay positive. I lock the door. I leave my house. I go outside. The weather is nice. It is sunny today. It is cloudy. It is raining. I take an umbrella. I walk to the road. I wait for transport. I take a bus. I take a rickshaw. I take a taxi. The road is busy. There is traffic. I am getting late. Please drive fast. Stop here, please. I get down here. Thank you. I reach on time. I am a little late. I say hello. Good morning, everyone. Let's begin. I open my book. I start working. I check my tasks. I focus on my work. I try my best. I feel motivated. I feel nervous. I feel confident. I feel relaxed. I feel stressed. I need a break. I take a short break. I drink water. I stay focused. I keep going. I write notes. I read something new. I learn a word. I ask a question. I give an answer. I listen carefully. I understand it. I don't understand. Can you repeat? I will try again. Congratulations! You complete part 1. You're doing well. Never give up and practice. Part 2. Afternoon or evening. Good afternoon. It is lunchtime. I feel hungry again. Let's eat lunch. What will you eat? I will eat rice. I will eat vegetables. The food is hot. The food is tasty. I eat with my friends. We talk together. How is your day? My day is good. I am busy today. I am free now. What are you doing? I am working. I am studying. I am resting. That sounds good. That's interesting. I go back to work. I finish my task. I make a mistake. I fix the mistake. I learn from it. I ask for help. Can you help me? Thank you for helping. No problem. You are welcome. I feel tired now. I need rest. I take a break. I drink tea. I relax a little. I check my phone. I reply to messages. I scroll social media. I stop wasting time. I focus again. I finish my work. I pack my bag. I say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Take care. I leave the place. I go home. I feel relaxed. I feel free. The day is almost over. I reach home. I change my clothes. I wash my hands. I sit down. I rest for a while. I talk with family. How was your day? My day was good. My day was hard. I am okay now. I feel a little hungry. I eat snacks. I drink tea. The tea is hot. It tastes good. I enjoy it. I share food. Let's eat together. This is nice. I feel better. I watch TV. I watch YouTube. I learn something new. I practice English. I read a book. I write something. I edit a video. I listen to music. I go outside. I take a walk. I meet my friends. We talk a lot. We laugh together. We share ideas. I feel happy. That was fun. Let's meet again. See you soon. Take care. Bye for now. Today was productive. I did my best. I learned something. I made progress. I feel proud. I can improve more. Tomorrow will be better. I believe in myself. I will keep going. I will not give up. Part 3, Night. Good night. It is dinner time. I feel hungry. Let's eat dinner. The food smells good. I eat rice. I eat curry. The food is delicious. I eat slowly. I drink water. I feel full. We sit together. We talk about the day. What did you do today? I worked hard. I studied today. That's great. Good job. Keep it up. I feel supported. I feel happy. I clean my plate. I help in the kitchen. I wash my hands. I relax. I sit quietly. I check my phone. I reply to messages. I plan tomorrow. I make a list. I stay organized. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I change clothes. I go to my room. I turn off the lights. I lie on my bed. I feel tired. I feel sleepy. I close my eyes. I relax my body. I think about my day. I remember good moments. I forget bad things. I stay positive. I forgive myself. I learn from mistakes. I feel calm. I feel peaceful. I breathe slowly. I feel relaxed. I set my alarm. I check the time. I drink water. I say good night. Good night, everyone. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Take care. I am ready to sleep. I am improving. I am learning daily. I am growing. I am strong. I am focused. I am calm. I am confident. I am patient. I am consistent. I believe in myself. I wake up again tomorrow. I will try again. I will work hard. I will stay focused. I will practice English. I will speak more. I will learn new words. I will improve daily. I will not stop. I will keep moving. Small steps matter. Progress takes time. I am on the right path. I trust the process. I stay strong. I keep learning. I stay consistent. I build my future. I control my life. I move forward. Today is done. Tomorrow is new. I am ready. I feel good. I feel calm. I feel safe. I feel hopeful. I feel happy. I sleep peacefully. Good night.